Welcome to the world where beauty meets creativity. We're Myface Beauty and Stylist Academy, the pantheon of beauty education and mastery. Here we offer a unique blend of beauty and stylist services, tailored to cater to your individual needs and aspirations. Our academy is proud to announce the opening of registration for one-on-one tutorial sessions with our seasoned beauticians. Each session is a step closer to becoming a beauty expert, a journey that culminates in the proud moment of receiving your certificate of completion. But that's not all. You'll also receive a starter kit to kickstart your beauty journey and a 30-day mentorship period to ensure you get the best out of your learning experience. At Myface Academy, we're not just about imparting skills, we're about creating beauty maestros. Unleash your beauty potential with Myface Academy. Your journey towards mastery starts here. South Africa, a land of diverse cultures, celebrates love in the most extraordinary ways. The Rainbow Nation, as it's often called, is a melting pot of traditions. And nowhere is this more evident than in the various types of weddings that occur throughout the year. Let's start with traditional weddings, a vibrant fusion of customs that breathe life into the phrase, "It takes a village." These ceremonies are not just about two people tying the knot, but two families coming together, sharing in music, dance, and laughter. There's an incredible sense of community, with everyone playing a part in the celebration. Then we have beach weddings, where the stunning South African coastline provides the perfect backdrop. Imagine saying your vows with the soothing sound of waves in the background and a breathtaking sunset painting the sky. It's a setting that defines romance in its purest form. But the charm of South Africa doesn't stop at the beach. There are vineyard weddings, nestled in the heart of the Western Cape's winelands. Here, couples can exchange vows amidst rows of lush grapevines, with the majestic mountains in the distance. The air is filled with the sweet scent of grapes, and the atmosphere is simply intoxicating. For those with a sense of adventure, safari weddings are a dream come true. With the untamed beauty of the African bush as your cathedral, you can say "I do" under a canopy of acacia trees, with the wild echoing your vows. It's an experience that's as thrilling as it is romantic. Finally, there are city weddings, where the buzz of urban life meets the elegance of matrimony. From the vibrant streets of Johannesburg to the historic charm of Cape Town, each city offers a unique blend of modern sophistication and cultural richness. Each wedding in South Africa is a vibrant tapestry of love, culture, and tradition, a spectacle to behold. Timing is everything, especially when it comes to planning your perfect wedding. In South Africa, like anywhere else in the world, the date you choose for your wedding can significantly impact the vibe of your special day. In South Africa, there are several special calendar days and public holidays, and it's often a great idea to plan your wedding around these times. For instance, Freedom Day, celebrated on the 27th of April, and Heritage Day, on the 24th of September, are two such holidays that are deeply ingrained in the country's history and culture. These days not only bring a sense of national pride and unity, but also ensure that your guests will be available to celebrate with you. Weather and seasons also play a crucial role in planning your wedding. South Africa's climate varies significantly across the country, but generally, the summer months from November to February offer warm and sunny conditions, perfect for outdoor weddings. The mild winters, on the other hand, allow for cozy indoor celebrations. But remember, the beauty of South Africa's diverse climate means there's no bad time to get married. The lush greenery of the Cape winelands in the summer, the crisp air of the Highveld in the winter, the blooming jacaranda trees in Pretoria during spring, or the vibrant hues of the autumn leaves in the Free State. Each season brings its own unique charm. So, whether you dream of a beach wedding along the stunning garden route, a safari wedding amidst the wild beauty of the Kruger National Park, or a vineyard wedding in the picturesque Cape winelands, timing it right can make your wedding day even more magical. Choose the perfect date and let your love story unfold amidst the beauty of South Africa. Want to make your wedding an unforgettable event? Here's a bonus tip. Have you ever considered tying the knot over a long weekend? It's a splendid idea, really. It affords your guests more time to travel, especially for those coming from afar. It's less stressful, as there's no need to rush back to work or school. Plus, it offers everyone a chance to unwind and truly enjoy the festivities. Picture this: a Friday full of pre-wedding fun, a Saturday dedicated to the main event, and a Sunday for a relaxed brunch or a day of rest before heading home. It's not just a wedding day, but a wedding weekend. And let's not forget the added benefit for you, the couple, of having a bit more breathing space to soak in every magical moment. Long weekends can turn your wedding into a mini vacation. Now, isn't that a delightful bonus? Now that you're equipped with these tips, planning your South African wedding should be a breeze. Remember, timing is everything. Leverage long weekends and special calendar days for the perfect wedding. And if you need a helping hand, don't shy away from calling family or hiring an event manager in advance. As we wrap up, let's not forget the importance of looking your best on your special day. At Myface Beauty and Stylist Academy, we offer exclusive one-on-one tutorial sessions with our senior beautician. Upon completion, you'll receive a certificate, a starter kit, and 30 days mentorship to help you enhance your beauty skills. So, whether you're a bride, a groom, or a wedding planner, our academy is ready to equip you with the beauty tools you need to shine. We're just a registration away. We'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment with your questions or suggestions. What tips would you like us to share next time? Until then, let your beauty shine with Myface Academy.